I'd break you. Do you want to be broken?
I've never heard a faster yes in my life.
I said, are you sure you want to be broken? And he said, break me. So then he said, you know, after months of chasing me and looking at me and deep into my eyes underneath the coconut tree, he would say things like, I want to make you an Australian citizen. I said to him, darling, you go to Australia and you get our citizenship. See, I do a Tongan accent. I don't know, okay. So, I love my Tongans. Who's Tongan in the house? You know I love you. I love you so much. So then he said, I love you. So then he said, I love you too.
Oh, we fight, sis, we fight.
She'd win, she could take me. So then he said, I'm going to go to Australia, get our citizenship. And I said, go, darling, because you know what? If you're not quick, I'm going to marry your cousin. But I didn't know that when he went to Australia, I was pregnant. And now I'm so glad I see you again, my love. It's been so long. Where's my citizenship? It's in the mail? It's in immigration, right? Well, the other reason why I'm so glad to see you, my love, is because now I can hit you with child support. You owe me $27,000. Where's your wallet? That's your financial planner right here? Okay, I'm going to hit you up after. Anyways, now that I've found you, I'm either going to find you through child support or Centrelink, ATO, I'll find you, okay? So, this song always reminds me of my darling, Dr. Saeed. He used to say to me, darling, say my name like that, Dr. Saeed. So every time I hear this song, I say, Dr. Saeed! Where is he? Whispers in the morning, have a lovely sleeping time. I can't hear the music, guys. Rolling around like thunder now, as I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body and feel it to move you, man. What a move. Your lips are warm and tender, a love that I cannot forsake, 'cause I'm your lady. You are my lady. Whenever you reach for me, you.